Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a real-world crisis using one of our favorite games, Minecraft. But this isn't just another build or adventure. We're talking about the CO2 crisis and how it's affecting our planet. Imagine you're in your Minecraft world. Everything's peaceful, your farms are thriving, and your builds are epic. Suddenly you notice the sky turning darker, mobs are getting more aggressive, and your crops are failing. Why? Because there's too much CO2 in the air. Just like in Minecraft, where too many mobs can crash your server, too much carbon dioxide is causing chaos in our world. Here's the deal. We burn fossil fuels, like coal, oil, and natural gas, to power our cars, factories, and power plants. Each time we hit that furnace, we release CO2 into the atmosphere. And unlike in Minecraft, where the mobs eventually despawn, this CO2 sticks around and builds up. So what happens when there's too much CO2? Just like how too many mobs can make your Minecraft world super laggy, too much CO2 makes our planet hotter. This leads to climate change. Imagine your Minecraft biomes blending into one chaotic mess, snowy tundras melting, deserts expanding, and oceans rising. Our real world is facing similar changes. The ice caps are melting faster than you can type /weather clear. Sea levels are rising, causing floods in coastal areas. And extreme weather events are becoming more common, like a Minecraft thunderstorm that never ends. So, what's the game plan? Well, in Minecraft, you'd find a solution. Maybe build a shelter, clear out mobs, or plant more trees. In real life, we need to cut down on burning fossil fuels and switch to renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydro. It's like upgrading your coal furnace to an advanced solar array in Minecraft. We can also plant more trees, just like reforesting your Minecraft world. Trees absorb CO2 and give us oxygen, making our world, and our Minecraft world, a better place to live. Remember, in Minecraft, if things go wrong, you can always start a new world, but in real life, we only have one Earth. There's no respawn, no second chances. It's up to us to protect it. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's take care of our planet, one block at a time. Catch you in the next video.